Hello kids, today we will learn number. Purple, yellow, pink, sky blue, orange, silver. 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7. 8. Say with me. 8. 9. Say with me. 9. 10. Say with me. 10. 11. Say with me. 11. 12. Say with me. 12. 13. Say with me. 13. 14. Say with me. 14. 15. Say with me. 15. 16. Say with me. 16. 17. Say with me. 17. 18. Say with me. 18. 19. Say with me. 19. 20. Say with me. 20. 21. Say with me. 21. 22. Say with me. 22. 23. Say with me. 23. 24. Say with me. 24. 25. Say with me. 25. 26. Say with me. 26. 27. Say with me. 27. 28. Say with me. 28. 29. Say with me. 29. 30. Say with me. 30. 31. Say with me. 31. 32. Say with me. 32. 33. Say with me. 33. 34. Say with me. 34. 35. Say with me. 35. 36. Say with me. 36. 37. Say with me. 37. 38. Say with me. 38. 39. Say with me. 39. 40. Say with me. 40. 41. Say with me. 41. 42. Say with me. 42. 43. Say with me. 43. 44. Say with me. 44. 45. Say with me. 45. 46. Say with me. 46. 47. Say with me. 47. 48. Say with me. 48. 49. Say with me. 49. 50. Say with me. 50. Subscribe for more videos.